Hello and welcome to this guide on change management, specifically tailored for human resources professionals. In today's dynamic business environment, change is the only constant. Whether it is a new software implementation, a company restructuring, or a shift in policy, HR plays a critical role in navigating these waters. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental concepts of change management and how you can support your organization's most valuable asset, its people. So why do we need a structured approach to change? Simply put, change is inevitable, but successful adaptation is not. Without management, change causes anxiety. By providing clear guidance, we lower stress. It also helps maintain productivity. We want to minimize the downtime that usually happens during transitions. Finally, it helps retain talent. When employees feel supported during tough times, they are less likely to leave. Good change management is good people management. It is helpful to understand that employees go through an emotional journey, often called the change curve. At first, there is shock and denial, where people think this isn't happening. Then comes frustration or even depression, where the reality sets in and morale dips. This is the danger zone. But with support, they move to experimentation, trying out the new way, and finally integration, where the change becomes the new normal. Knowing where your team is on this curve helps you provide the right support. Successful change requires a team effort. First, we have senior leaders, the sponsors. They must set the vision and explain the why. Then we have managers, the coaches. They are on the front lines, addressing resistance and supporting their direct reports. And finally, you, the HR professionals, the architects. You design the strategy, train the leaders, and ensure everyone stays aligned throughout the process. If I could give you one piece of advice, it would be this. Communicate early and communicate often. Start with the why. People cannot buy into a plan if they do not understand the reason behind it. Then explain the what to remove ambiguity. Detail the how so they know they will be trained. And most importantly, address the what's in it for me. Connect the change to their personal daily experience to build desire. You will face resistance. It is natural. But to manage it, you must understand the root cause. Is it fear of job loss? Is it a lack of trust in leadership? Is it simply bad timing or poor communication? Do not just push back. Listen. Validate their concerns. By involving employees in the process and making them feel heard, you turn resistance into participation. A fantastic framework to use is the ADKAR model. It stands for 5 outcomes: awareness of the need for change, desire to participate, knowledge on how to change, ability to implement the new skills, and reinforcement to sustain the change. If you are stuck, check this model. For example, if people have the knowledge but not the desire, more training will not help. You need to work on motivation. Support must be holistic. On the practical side, provide comprehensive training, cheat sheets, and help desks. Make it easy to find answers. On the emotional side, encourage an open-door policy. Leaders need to show empathy and acknowledge that change is hard. Celebrating small wins along the way can also boost morale and keep the momentum going. How do you know if it worked? You need to measure success. Look at the adoption rate. Are people actually using the new tools? Check proficiency. Are they using them correctly? And gather employee feedback through surveys. If you are not hitting your targets, that is okay. It just means you need more reinforcement. Remember, change is a journey, not a single launch date. To wrap up, remember these key takeaways. Change is emotional, so expect the curve. Leadership sponsorship is non-negotiable. Always communicate the why before the how. Use the ADKAR model as your roadmap, and support your people continuously. As HR, you have the power to turn a disruptive change into a growth opportunity. Be the champion of change.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.